J&C Lawyers Explain is the lighter side of current events from a Jimerson and Cobb attorney's perspective. Each month, a different lawyer is spontaneously presented with a question about a relevant topic for them to comment on completely off the cuff.
We're with Brandon Meadows. Brandon, explain what you think of Twitch and why it could be game-changing.
I'm really glad you asked me that question. That's a fantastic topic, and it's been of a lot of interest to a lot of my friends and family lately. Twitch is an incredible, great new dance move that all the kids are doing. They are twitching the night away. And, it's going to really take over flossing pretty soon. And the Macarena, it is going to go down in dance history as one of the top new great dance moves.